Go to the YouTube video you'd like to add. Under the video, click on Share. In the Share pop-up box, click on Embed. That will bring up the Embed Video window, which includes the HTML embed code we need to copy. Click on Copy to copy the code and close the window. Now go to the course content section in your course where you'd like to add the video. For this example, I'm going to add the video to a new item. So I'll click on Build Content and then Create Item. I'll enter in the name. Next, I need to paste in the HTML embed code in the content editor. I can do that by clicking on the HTML code view icon. In the HTML code view window, I'll paste in the embed code and click on Update. Finally, click on Submit to save everything. And now the video has been added as a new item.